How to hide following lists on Instagram. In this video, I'll show you how to hide following lists on Instagram. So the first thing you can do is to go ahead and make your account private. So click on your profile and then click on the hamburger icon at the top right of your screen. And then from here, scroll down and look for account privacy and then click on it and then set your account to private. So only approved followers can see your following list through this. So basically, Instagram doesn't offer a direct hide following list button, but you can limit visibility using privacy settings and strategic actions. Second thing you can do is to remove your unwanted followers. So you'll find this X button at the right side of each followers that you have. Once you click on it, you'll be able to find options to delete this specific follower from your followers list. Another way is through blocking that specific follower. So click on the follower name and then click on the three dots at the top right of that follower profile and then click on block to block that from viewing your account. And that is how you can basically hide following lists on Instagram.